Where the love at? Where the love at? Where the love at? Where the love at?
Hi guys, I'm Shweta and welcome back to my channel. Well, if you're a new person watching this video, then kindly hit that bell button and the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever this pretty face is here. I just missed this dialogue for so long days. Can you believe it's one long month that I'm not active at YouTube, and today finally here I'm back. There are a lot of reasons, but then I don't want to drag it up and end this video with a really long note, but it's a huge apology from mine. Kindly pardon me for that. And finally I'm back here, not wasting any single time. Let's start this video. And if you see the heading already, we have hit 1000 subscribers. Yay! Yes, totally, we have hit 1000 subscribers, and I really thank each one of you, because my small family, which just started with 1 or 2, has just extended for 1000 subscribers. It's a whole new family for me, and it's just so surreal, right? Because the journey of I starting this YouTube channel was just it was just my dream, and when I just followed up and made it possible and I continued it as my passion, it was something that really paused me and said, listen, you have certain bunch of people. It just said that you're responsible for a certain community that you have built, and this is my identity, and this is what has happened for the past, I believe it's 7 long months. I started in the month of April, and in this journey I've seen a lot of ups and downs, a lot of thicks and thins, but beyond all this, I just found out that all you people out there who are watching this video were a strong support for me, because I had to inculcate a lot of practices that was which was actually out of my box, and you all made it so possible and so clean and so easy for me that I could come up with a lot of ideas and a lot of contents, and you actually provoked me to just build, to just keep on going, to just move on with whatever I'm doing. And I would just like to share one thing out of this journey of mine being a YouTuber, that whenever I make any videos and whenever I upload it, you guys have the audacity to watch my videos and just say either a thank you or a thumbs up or nice or any comments that you try to give, right? That boosts me a lot. The best part for me is typing a thank you along with the heart emoji. That just makes me so happy. You guys are my biggest support, and I did take you for granted for quite some time, because I just kept casual and I didn't upload any videos, right? And I own that responsibility, all right? I own for the mistake that I've done, and I'll make sure that it's not been repeated. The consistency is the key for any YouTuber, and if you're into something else, there are chances of you not getting into the space or not shooting your videos, and that's what happened with me. And I acknowledge it. I'm really sorry for that. But then, having said that, even with all this hardship, with all this thick and thins, you made it to be 1000 subscribers, and it's just so amazing, all right? I would like to include one thing over here. The thing is, this 1000 subscribers that you see, all right, it's raw. It's not paid. I have not, inculcated any strategy to come up with this 1000 subscribers. It's just pure and raw subscribers that I've got through the supporters, through someone else asking the others to support me, to subscribe, or I personally pinging anyone or asking them to subscribe to my channel. And also for those of you who asked others to support my videos, and for those of you who asked to watch my videos, the supporters who already I have, they ask the other people to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel and give a big support to them. I would really thank each one of you. So moving forward with this video, after being thankful to each one of you, I would like to share one small thing out here. It's a small announcement that the videos that you will be coming up in the future would be something that you would love to see. I want you guys to get featured in my videos, and I want you to interact with me and let us get connected a little bit more through my videos. It could be anything that I can come across. So here is a small request from my end. Kindly let me know what kind of videos you would like to watch from my end. Now that we are a family, I just don't want to rant myself, and tell what is in my space. I just want to hear it from all of you guys as well. And why I'm saying all this is, or why I want to really help all of you people, is that a lot of you in this video who are watching, you would be inspired, or you would want to do something okay in your life. You would want to do something that really inspires you, and you need that platform or that path to hit that journey. For example, I just came across a person who wanted to become a YouTuber, and she approached me and she asked me what is that steps that I can come across to just start this platform. And they were insisting me to do a video of how to become a YouTuber or how to start the videos. And for me, based upon the niche and the content that I've posted already, that was not something that was in my space right before. But now that I got a clarity with respect to the connections that I have, I thought, why not I help all of you guys with respect to the videos that I post. So I would love to hear from all of you with the ideas that you have and the kind of contents that you would like to see from my end. And I do have my contents, and I do have some things that I need to post, which I'll be doing. Apart from that, I want to engage with the social connections that I have. So kindly respond to me through your comments, through the messages, and I would love to interact with each one of you. That's a promise from mine. That's it, guys. It's a really short video and I had to speak so much. I'll stop with my ranting, but I love you all. That's all I can say from mine. I really love you, and I'm so grateful for having all of you in my life. I'll come up with my next video shortly. This is my word. I'll come up with my video shortly, and I hope you'll like it. Obviously you will like it because you have just loved me throughout this journey, and I'm damn sure that you would love with my videos. Before I end this video, I would like to say something that a dear person of mine just said that if you're contributing to someone, try to get contributed. So if I am contributing to any one of you, it's indirectly a contribution for me in turn. And that's just so real for me, and I would work really hard to come up with my videos. For all of you who just congratulate me for I achieving 1,000 subscribers, a big thank you to all of you. I'm saying it right now, so thank you so much for making it real for me, and I will grow with my channel. I'll end my video right now. Until I see you next time, please be safe and sound. I say this oftenly because the coronavirus has not been ended, and we have to be safe and secured in all the ways. So this is the reason I say please be safe and sound, and be wonderful, and be cheerful, and just be smiling and be kind to all. That's about it, guys. That's what I had to say from my end. Until I see you next time, I love you all a lot. I love you, and thank you so much.